I love you. It's okay.
I love you too, man.
I love you all.
Joselito,
No.
join! Noob, noob nuts.
Max is the best.
I'm
Where
right
is,
to you.
where is Hozan? I need
Shut the
Hozan.
fuck up. Move. No, 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 no.
Hozan! Hozan, look at me. I have all your clothes except the eye, the head.
How many levels? Oh my god.
60 to do.
Thanks for
You also. Take it.
Side ball. Follow me, noobs.
You need help, darling?
Yes. Darling.
Hozan, you won't crash? Wait,
Are you kidding me?
2 minutes and we'll be crashed, don't worry.
No. Two.
No, one.
Two.
What?
So when I'm rank up now, I'm not general?
No, you're a general, but you're not Excel.
Oh shit. Fuck me, okay. My bad.
Invite your friends in us. We'll not have friends, we're friendless. We're forever alone. Now it should be fun. Come on, fun.
Fun. Once upon a time, there was a little girl.
Little what?
Girl. She had the hair shiny as a deep.
Eh? What?
Okay.
Once upon a time, a boy came to her and asked, "Hey girl, why you have such a stupid hair?" And she said, "I like blonde."
What the fuck?
Happy?
I don't believe in God.
Like Nazi.
I believe in myself.
Might believe in Chazir, you know? Pig.
What?
Hozan, what the fuck? Relax, man.
Better.
Don't worry, just relax.
Oh shit.
English, please.
Fuck up, man. Let's play.
Okay.
This game I make some bitches.
What the fuck are you doing? Wait.
Move!
This way, wait.
Hozan, what the fuck are you doing? Fuck you. No, go, let's leave it.
What the?
Ma, let's
Let's go.
go.
No leg it. Thank you.
Okay, 1 hit and I'm next, maybe 2. Maybe 3, I don't know.
Maybe 4.
Maybe I'm exit tomorrow. Excel!
Jesus!
Rats, noobs.
Now everybody in peace mode. Let's party mode.
General C.
Well, yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Best
That's
General
it.
C party ever.
That's it. Oh. Don't kill him.
Don't keep with us.